In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record Minecraft from different angles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to record some Minecraft gameplay, there are some things that you can change to make the video more enjoyable and way more cinematic. So in this video, I'm gonna showcase some things that you can do in vanilla Minecraft to improve any sort of background recording that you want to do. So the first thing that you should set up is to go into the keybinds. So go to Options, Controls, Keybinds, scroll all the way down, and you will find it under the Miscellaneous tab, Toggle Cinematic Camera. When you usually move your camera in Minecraft, it is very basic and it is very jarring. However, if you set a keybind for cinematic camera, for example, I have it on F9, then you press that button, you will notice that the camera is now very slow and it sort of lags behind your movement. So I'm moving to the right with full force, but you will see that the camera glides around the screen as if it was sliding on ice. This is wonderful if you are trying to do some sort of recording. For example, these shots here almost look like a drone shot shooting this footage. So all that you have to do is use cinematic camera and you can fly around in creative mode to get some very beautiful cinematic shots. Of course, you can mix this up with other functions. For example, you can increase or decrease the FOV depending on the effect that you want to acquire. So this shot here is wonderful to take a big look at the world. However, it can get quite disorienting, especially around the screens. So you can increase the FOV just a little bit. And something else that you can do is to go into spectator mode. In spectator, every single time that you use the scroll wheel, so if you use the scroll wheel up, your flying speed will be increased, so you can see that I'm flying very fast. But if I use scroll wheel down, I'm now slowing down. So basically, this is wonderful to control the speed in which you are flying. If you want to have a very active and very fast-paced background shot, then you increase the flying speed and you will go zooming across the land. But if you want to have a very slow, methodic view of the terrain, then you can scroll down and now you will fly very slowly across everything. And as long as you mix this with a nice terrain generation, increased render distance, you can get some wonderful shots from various different angles. I hope I was able to help you on how to record Minecraft from different angles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.